If I were starting again from scratch, this is the one skill I'd master. Let's open this secret letter. Oh, boom! This is YouTube automation to make $10,000 a month not from crypto, not from dropshipping, but from YouTube, without ever showing your face. This skill is called YouTube automation. YouTube automation is basically creating already trending videos in your own style without doing everything by yourself. Think of it like building a mini video making machine. Here's the 5-step process to YouTube automation with AI 1. Keyword research with vidIQ. First, you need to find topics that people are already searching for. Use vidIQ to spot outlier videos or trends, low competition keywords, and video ideas that can go viral. Example, search how to make money online or passive income ideas, and vidIQ shows you what works. 2. Script writing with ChatGPT. Next, take your idea and ask ChatGPT to write a YouTube script. Just say something like, write a 3-minute simple and precise script on how to make money online. Boom, done in seconds. 3. Voiceover with 11 Labs. Now you need a voice. Use 11 Labs to turn your script into a natural-sounding voiceover. You can copy your script from ChatGPT and paste it into text-to-speech and generate it. Your voice is ready in Natural VoiceOver 4. Video editing. This is where the magic happens. Put your voiceover, stock clips, animations, and music together using any video editing software. Upload and repeat for 90 days. Once your video is ready, upload it to YouTube. Do this consistently, one video a day, for 90 days. The YouTube algorithm loves consistency. This method works because it's scalable, and if you keep doing this for 90 days, that's 90 chances to go viral. 90 chances to hit your first $10,000 a month.